नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आता आपण पंचमहाभूत ह्या टॉपिकवरचे काही इम्पॉर्टंट MCQ बघणार आहोत. फर्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट वन ऑफ द पंचमहाभूत. अग्नी, पृथ्वी, वायू हे पंचमहाभूतांमधले आहे, त्याच्यामुळे आन्सर डी इज द करेक्ट आन्सर. दॅट मीन इट इज नॉट वन ऑफ द पंचमहाभूत. व्हॉट डज आकाश रिप्रेझेंट in the Panchamahabhuta concept? Akash represents space. Which element among the Panchamahabhuta is associated with sense of touch? कुठला जो आहे तो sense of touch represent करतो, that is vayu. Which Mahabhuta is responsible for sound? That is Shabd, that is Akash is represent sound. Which element in Panchamahabhuta is most closely related to digestion and transformation? That is Agni or fire represent related to digestion or transformation. Then according to Ayurveda, the human body is composed of how many great elements? These are the 5 elements. Then which of the following element is primarily responsible for fluid balance in the body? Jal is responsible for fluid body. The next question is, which Mahabhuta provides structure and stability to the body? Prithvi provides structure and stability to the body. The next question is, which element in the Pancha Mahabhuta is considered to be ever expanding and limitless? That is Akash Tattva. The next is, in the concept of Pancha Mahabhuta, which element is considered the force of movement? That is Vayu. Thank you.